Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, The Learning Prism. So today I'm going to share a very interesting trick of. So here we need to find the square of number 19. The first thing you need to do is to multiply all the numbers you can see on the screen. So I can see 1, 9 and 2. So I will multiply these three numbers. So 1 multiplied by 9 is 9 and 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. Now the next step is we would write the square of the numbers inside the brackets in two digits form. So for example, the square of 1 is 1, but I would write it as 0, 1, and the square of 9 is 81. Since it's a two-digit number already, so we would not change its form. So the next thing is you need to remember we will always write a 0 first, and then we will write the product of three numbers, which is 18 in this case. And the last step is we will add these numbers together. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 8 plus 8 is 16. So we will write 6 here and we will carry 1. And then 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So the square of 19 is 361. In the beginning, it would take a little longer, but once you've understood the method, it would just take 15 seconds to calculate the square of any two digits number. In this example, we need to find the square of 23. So the first thing you need to do is to multiply all the numbers you can see on the screen. So I can see 2, 3 and 2. So 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 12. Now the next step is we would write the square of the numbers inside the bracket in two digits form. So the square of 2 is 4, but we will write as 0, 4. And the square of 3 is 9, but we will write it as 0, 9. The next step is to write a 0 first, and then we will write our product of three numbers, which is 12 in this case. The last step is to add these numbers together. So 9 plus 0 is 9, 0 plus 2 is 2, 4 plus 1 is 5, and the square of 23 is equals to 529. So here in this example, we need to find the square of number 54. So first thing would be we need to multiply all the numbers we can see on the screen. So I can see 5, 4 and 2. So 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. 20 multiplied by 2 is 40. So the next thing is, do you remember? Yes, we need to find the square of the numbers inside the bracket in two digits form. So the square of 5 would be 25 and the square of 4 would be 16. Do you remember the next step? Yes, we need to write a 0 first, and then we will write our product of three numbers, which is 40 in this case. Right, we will add these numbers, and 6 plus 0 is 6, 1 plus 0 is 1, 5 plus 4 is 9, and 2. So the square of 54 is 2916. Now let's see this example. In this example, we need to find the square of 88. So for the first step would be the same. We need to multiply all the numbers we can see on the screen. So 8 multiplied by 8 is 64 and 64 multiplied by 2 is 128. The next step is we would write the square of the numbers inside the brackets in two digits form. So the square of 8 is 64 and the square of 8 is 64 as well. And the next step is we need to write a 0 first, and then the product of three numbers, which is 128 in this case. So 4 plus 0 is 4, 6 plus 8 is 14, so we will write 4 here, and 1 we would carry, and then 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, and then 6 plus 1 is 7. So the square of 88 is 7,744. I hope you've understood the method. Let's try some by yourself. Please pause the video and resume it when you have completed your task. And here are the answers. There's a slight possibility that it would take you a little longer to find the square of the numbers, but if you keep practicing and know your timetables by heart, then you would be able to find the square of two digits number in just 15 seconds. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up.